Welcome to Techmates. In this tutorial, I show you how to track Temu package with your tracking number. This guide takes less than 2 minutes, so let's get started. First thing first, launch the Temu app. Get logged into your account and select the U section. In here, you will see the first option is Your Orders. Open it. And likewise, make sure that you are under All Orders. Once you're under all orders, you will see all the orders here. If you are looking to track a specific order, you can also tap on this shipped or delivered. Now, in case if you don't find your orders here, you will see this self-service to find orders. Select this. And in here, you can either add your phone number or your order ID. Select order ID in order to find your order using your order ID. Then paste your order ID here, select find order. As I do that, you will see your order right here. This is how you can solve your problem. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe to Techmates for more daily tutorials. And if you want a guaranteed answer to your question, join our Techmates membership. Members get priority responses to their comments and questions. The link is right down below.